Have you ever noticed that a brand new razor glides across your skin effortlessly for the first few shaves, but before long it starts pulling at your hair, leaving irritation behind and making you wonder if it's already time for a replacement? Most people assume razor blades simply wear out after a few uses. As a result, they throw them away and buy new cartridges, often spending hundreds of dollars over the years. But here's something surprising. In many cases, your razor isn't becoming dull as quickly as you think. Instead, it's the way it's stored, cleaned, and used that dramatically shortens its lifespan. A razor blade is incredibly thin, and even tiny mistakes can damage its edge or cause corrosion that slowly reduces its cutting performance. The good news is that you don't need expensive razor sharpeners or fancy accessories. By making a few simple changes to your shaving routine, you can keep your razor performing better for much longer. In today's video, we'll look at 5 practical hacks that can help extend the life of your razor, give you smoother shaves, reduce skin irritation, and save money over time. Hack number 1. Dry your razor completely after every shave. The number one reason razor blades lose their sharpness sooner than expected is moisture. After shaving, most people simply rinse the razor under water and leave it sitting on the shower shelf. It seems harmless, but this habit allows tiny drops of water to remain trapped between the blades. Over time, those droplets encourage microscopic corrosion. Even stainless steel isn't completely immune to this process. The cutting edge of a razor blade is unbelievably thin, often much thinner than a human hair. Because it's so delicate, even tiny amounts of corrosion can affect how well it cuts. After every shave, rinse away all shaving cream, hair, and skin residue using warm water. Then shake off as much water as possible. Finally, gently pat the blade dry using a clean towel or tissue. Avoid rubbing the cutting edge sideways because that can damage it. Simply blot it carefully. This entire process takes less than 30 seconds, but it can make a noticeable difference in how long your razor stays sharp. Hack number 2. Never store your razor inside the shower. Here's a mistake almost everyone makes. The shower seems like the perfect place to store a razor because that's where you use it. Unfortunately, it's also one of the worst places for blade longevity. Every hot shower fills the bathroom with warm steam. Even after you leave, that moisture lingers in the air and settles onto every surface, including your razor. If your razor sits inside the shower all day, it's constantly exposed to humidity. That means the blade rarely gets the chance to dry completely. Instead, after shaving and drying the razor, place it somewhere with better airflow. A bathroom cabinet, drawer, or shelf away from direct steam will help the blade stay dry and last longer. Or shelf outside the shower is usually a much better choice. It may seem like a tiny change, but keeping your razor away from constant humidity helps reduce corrosion and keeps the cutting edge in better condition for much longer. Hack number 3. Clean the blade properly. Many people think rinsing a razor is enough, but if you look closely between the blades after shaving, you'll often find tiny hairs, soap residue, shaving cream, and dead skin cells trapped inside. As these materials dry, they create buildup that makes the razor less efficient. Instead of slicing cleanly through hair, the blade begins dragging and pulling. Some people try to solve this by hitting the razor against the sink. Unfortunately, repeatedly tapping the blade can damage the delicate cutting edge or loosen the cartridge over time. Instead, rinse the razor under running water from the back of the blades. This pushes trapped hair outward instead of forcing it deeper inside. If debris remains, soak the razor for a minute in warm water and gently swish it around. A clean razor cuts more efficiently, experiences less friction, and stays usable much longer. Think of it like a kitchen knife. Even the sharpest knife won't perform well if food is stuck all over the blade. Hack number 4. Stop pressing so hard. One of the biggest misconceptions about shaving is that pressing harder gives a closer shave. In reality, the opposite is often true. Modern razors are engineered so the blades do the cutting. When you press firmly against your skin, you increase friction between the blade and your face or body. That additional friction wears down the edge faster and increases the chances of razor burn, redness, cuts, and ingrown hairs. Instead, use light, controlled strokes. Prepare your skin first by washing with warm water or shaving after a shower when the hair is softer. Apply a quality shaving cream or gel to lubricate the skin. Then allow the razor to glide naturally without forcing it. You'll not only extend the life of the blade, but you'll probably notice a much smoother and more comfortable shave. Hack number 5. Try the Barber's Stropping trick. Long before disposable razors existed, barbers used leather strops to keep straight razors performing at their best. While today's disposable blades are different, the basic idea can still help. During shaving, the microscopic edge of a razor blade can develop tiny bends that reduce cutting performance. Stropping doesn't sharpen the blade like grinding metal. Instead, it can help straighten and realign those tiny imperfections. After cleaning and drying the razor, gently move it backward, not in the cutting direction, across a piece of clean denim, leather, or another suitable surface. Always move the blade opposite the direction it normally cuts. This avoids damaging the edge. Many experienced shavers believe this simple technique helps restore smoother performance and extends blade life significantly. While results vary depending on the blade and shaving habits, stropping is a free trick that's been used for generations. Bonus tip number 1. Shave less aggressively. You don't always need multiple passes over the same area. Every additional pass creates more friction and more wear on the blade. Whenever possible, shave in the direction of hair growth first. If you need an even closer shave, apply more shaving cream before making another pass. Never shave repeatedly over dry skin. This protects both your skin and your razor. Bonus tip number 2. Replace blades only when necessary. Eventually, every razor blade reaches the end of its useful life. No maintenance routine can make a blade last forever. If the razor consistently pulls hair, causes irritation despite proper preparation, shows signs of rust, or leaves uneven patches after cleaning, using an excessively worn blade usually causes more skin damage than simply replacing it. The goal isn't to use one blade forever. The goal is to get the maximum safe performance from every blade you buy. Why these hacks matter. Think about how many razor cartridges an average person buys each year. If each cartridge lasts only 1 week, you'll replace dozens of blades annually. But if simple maintenance doubles or even triples the lifespan of each blade, the savings become significant. You're not only spending less money, you'll also enjoy smoother shaves, fewer nicks, less irritation, and less plastic waste ending up in landfills. Sometimes saving money isn't about finding cheaper products. It's about taking better care of the products you already own. Quick recap. Let's quickly review the 5 hacks. Hack number 1. Always dry your razor completely after every shave. Hack number 2. Store it outside the humid shower. Hack number 3. Clean the blades gently instead of banging them against the sink. Use light pressure and let the razor do the cutting. Hack number 5. Use the barber's stropping technique to help maintain the blade's edge. These 5 habits take less than a minute to perform, cost absolutely nothing, and can dramatically improve your shaving experience. The next time you're tempted to throw away a razor because it feels dull, try these hacks first. You may discover that the secret to months of smooth, comfortable shaves isn't buying better blades. It's simply treating the blade you already have the right way.